I'm gonna be famous. I always knew my day would come.
We're gonna be famous one day. Today on Junkyard Ginger, we are going to show you how to change brakes on a 2017 Subaru Impreza. The tools that you're going to need to do this are a 14mm wrench, a 19mm, your brake pads, a C-clamp, and a flathead screwdriver. And with your 14mm, we're going to take off this bolt here and this bolt here. So once you get those bolts out, you're going to want to pry your caliper off of the bracket with a screwdriver. Note that when you're putting your new pads on or taking your old ones off, if you start beating on it, this might fall down. And that's not good on this hose. Now you're going to want to lube up where your pads are going to ride. We don't use gloves here in America. Alright, so now when you're installing the pads, you have these two little levers on this model that need to be pushed down when you're putting your pad in, that I got grease all over. And then you have this one you also have to push down when inserting your pads. Here's a note. It's a lot easier if you turn the steering wheel. What you're going to have to do is you got to take an old brake pad to compress your caliper. Now note, when you're doing dual calipers like this, that you want to kind of compress it in the middle on a dual piston. I learned that if you compress one piston and not the other, it will push the other piston out and then you have to go buy another caliper because you ruin the seal. Once you get it flush back with your seals, you're going to want to put your caliper back on. Oh yeah, we got to adjust this one again, but we're going to see if it's going to slide on. So you're going to want to put your caliper back on and get your 14mm bolts. Alright, now that your brakes are put back on, your old ones are out of the way, you're going to want to turn the wheel and put your wheel back on. This is a Junkyard Ginger production. I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.